Hi everybody, today we are going to practice using the microwave. I am warming up some instant oatmeal for myself to eat. I followed the directions. I already put the oatmeal in, added my water, and I mixed it up. So now is my next step of putting it in the microwave. So the instructions say 75 seconds. So I'm going to first open up the microwave. I'm going to push it open. Open the door. Carefully pick up my bowl. Put it in the microwave. And then I'll close the door. And then I'm going to put 75 seconds. So I need to find the number 7. Then 5. Then after I put my time in, see it says 75. I'm going to find the start button. And let it start. So while I'm waiting for my food, I can get other things ready. I can take my garbage, throw it out. That's ready to go. And then get myself a napkin. So that's ready. Hold it up for myself. My spoon. And then I'll wait. Still got 42 seconds left to go. So I'll just stand here and wait, practice my waiting. You can watch it spin. I don't want to stand too close to the microwave. Sitting, waiting. And then when it comes out, it's going to be hot, so I'm going to have to wait a little bit and let it cool off so I don't burn myself when I eat it. 15 seconds. 10. Alright, it's gonna almost be done. So when it beeps, I'm going to push the button to open the door again. Alright, I'm gonna be careful because remember it's hot. You may need help from an adult to take something hot out. I'm gonna be very careful. I'm gonna put my bowl down. Close the door. And then once my oatmeal is nice and cool, I'm ready to eat. I'll see you guys tomorrow.